Ramen, the ultimate comfort food. But when is the best time to indulge in this savory delight? Some say morning to kickstart your day with a flavorful boost. Others argue for lunch, a hearty midday meal to fuel your afternoon. Then there's dinner, a warm bowl of ramen to unwind after a long day. But let's not forget about late-night cravings. Ramen has a way of satisfying even the strongest midnight hunger pangs. So when is the best time to eat ramen? Truth is, any time is the best time for a bowl of this delicious comfort food, because when it comes to ramen, there's never a wrong time to indulge. Any time is ramen time.